last shot of our Nissan crew, guys. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Mr. V10. Not official shirt, but you know, that's coming soon. Tonight, I've been invited by my friend over there. He has an R34 Tommy Carrier limited edition, one of two in the whole country. I'm off to Enfield, and there's gonna be some car meet over there. I thought I'd vlog it for you guys, see what goes on at night times, Sunday evenings, and yeah, stay tuned. Catch you later. Confident on your braking. Enfield me. Check it out, guys. Man bought a Scooby-Doo van. Right, let's check out some more cars, guys. BMW 135i, 150i, Ultra Extra VXR, nice C63, EP3, Honda gang. Get me. Beautiful Seat Cupra. I quite like this, to be honest. Now let me show you this in better lighting. What a beautiful American muscle. This is why you should buy an LSD, guys. Crazy arena. Yeah. Guys, I think the police have just showed up again, so everyone's a bit anxious, and yeah, as you can see, madness taking over. Absolutely bonkers. Yo guys, check it out. Beautiful Nano grey BMW E30 next to an Evo 7, 8, not possibly.
It's not bad to be fair. Nice. It's like a track car.
This gentleman's got the perfect idea. Why not? Eagle-eyed viewers, you'll know exactly who this guy is. This man like Dennis.
How you doing?
How you doing, bro? You got it.
Oh, fuck up. Oops.
Yo guys, we're done. The day is gone. Smashing me, A10 with a madness, drifts, wicked cars. Managed to get some links and some subs. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the content. Big shout out to my boy. Make sure you follow him at TommyCurra_25R. He kindly invited me on a Skyline meet. So yeah, we're done. This baby's ready to park up. And we're ready to have some pizza. Make sure you like, share, subscribe for more content. Take care.